Hello everyone. Let us discuss today about influenza vaccine and how it works in children in this pandemic season, and whether it is really advisable to take influenza vaccine in this pandemic to fight against this COVID-19 disease. So lot of experts are discussing or telling us, and lot of media is propaganding to take influenza vaccine to the children in order to protect from COVID-19 in this pandemic. So whether it is correct or not, and whether it works in this COVID situation or not, let us discuss about it. As third wave is really on a rise, so if and it may mostly affect the children. So let us see how it works. Vaccine, so influenza virus and COVID virus. So influenza virus and COVID virus are entirely different. It is different families. The common similarities are both are single strand RNAs. So mother structure of both the viruses are single strand RNA, and the most common things between these two viruses are the symptoms are nearly same. It's like fever, cold, cough, body pains, body ache, rashes, etc. And second most important thing is the mode of transmission. This influenza virus and COVID virus will spread in same mode, that is from men to men. So that is from humans to human. So this is the most common features between this influenza virus and COVID. And vaccination of influenza virus and also coronavirus. So about influenza vaccine virus, there was a huge epidemic in 2015-16 in India, 17. At that time, vaccine has been introduced, and the vaccine is successfully given in most of the children, and it has been introduced in Indian Academy of Pediatrics, that is IAP schedule. And this virus vaccine is being given to in the children in the 7th month and 8th month of age, and every yearly shot for everyone. And treatment of influenza virus, so there are specific drugs has been launched and they are used, and the efficacy rate of this specific anti-influenza drugs are working very good. That's the reason from 2017-18, due to introduction of virus vaccines and due to introduction of specific anti-influenza drugs, these influenza cases are being decreased gradually, and as of now it is not a panic situation in India. So when coming to COVID-19, that is the coronavirus, so vaccine in adults, they are going on for 2 doses, and in children the vaccine is in under stage 2 trial, so it may take another 3-4 months. So the treatment as COVID-19, there has been a study which is done by University of Michigan, and this study has been published in American Journal of Infective Control, which states that the person who has been taken influenza vaccine, that particular persons or the particular group, 25% of their, if they are affected with COVID-19, so 25% of the patients have been decreased with the hospital stay, the severity of the disease, the ventilator care or ventilator requirement. Thus, it has shown that there is a positive effect of influenza vaccine on COVID-19 pediatrics into the regular vaccination schedule. So who will be vaccinated? In this COVID pandemic or in general, regularly we will give 2 doses of primary doses, that is for given at 7th month and 8th month in the for infant, and later on every yearly 1 dose will be given till 5 years of age. From 6th year to 18 years of age, if they are having any like chronic illnesses like heart issues, renal issues, brain issues, and any other liver issues, so these patients who are having these chronic illnesses, it is advisable for them to take every yearly 1 dose of influenza vaccine. And the geriatric age, which is the older people, should also take this vaccine. so which will help them to protect this influenza in this monsoon and winter season. The secondary point is when it had to be taken. Regularly, it had to be regularly vaccine should be taken in the pre-monsoon season because in the monsoon season, that is between September, and in the winter season, that is till February, this influenza vaccine rears up and it will affect the children and adults. So better to take the vaccine around July, August, so that it will take 14 days for the antibodies to grow. So after that, these antibodies helps in order to protect against any influenza virus that enters our body during this monsoon and cold season. If at all possible and financially there is no disparities, as the vaccine, each vaccine costs around 1,500 to 2,000. Take a shot of influenza vaccine and take every child in your family should take a shot of influenza vaccine. So because